YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys ITZY's new comeback song teaser. Let's get started. To start from here with your leg wide open and we look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, look up on 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 말해봤다, 어서 딱, 'cause I'm not shy. Boom, boom, and look, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and the 3, 4, and 5, and the 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 1, and 2, and the 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. This is a short little tutorial for ITZY's new comeback, Not Shy teaser dance. And hope you guys like it. And hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to hit your subscribe button, hit a like, and comment below for what else you want to learn. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. Till next time, bye bye.
말해봐 다 어서 다 'cause I'm not shy.